Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to analyze GA4 traffic in Looker Studio. Step-by-step, beginner-friendly, and updated for 2026. If you already collect GA4 data, but feel a bit lost when it comes to analyzing traffic, don't worry. This guide will break it down clearly. First, open Looker Studio and sign in with your Google account. From the home screen, click Create, then choose Report. This opens a blank report where we'll build our traffic analysis. Now, connect your GA4 data. Click Add Data, select Google Analytics, then choose your GA4 property. After confirming access, click Add to Report. Once connected, your traffic data is ready to use. Let's start with an overview. Add scorecards for total users, sessions, and engaged sessions. These metrics give you a quick snapshot of how much traffic your site is getting. So yeah, always start here. Next, analyze traffic over time. Add a line chart, set the dimension to date, and use users or sessions as the metric. This helps you spot trends, spikes, or drops in traffic. Now let's break traffic down by source. Add a bar chart and use session source or default channel group as the dimension. This shows whether your traffic comes from organic search, paid ads, social media, or referrals. To go deeper, analyze pages. Add a table with page title or page path as the dimension and users or views as metrics. This tells you which pages attract the most traffic. Make your report interactive by adding a date range control and a filter control. This allows you to change time periods or focus on specific traffic sources without editing the report. Take a moment to clean up the layout, resize charts, align everything neatly, and add clear titles so your analysis is easy to understand. Finally, click View to preview the report. When everything looks right, click Share to send it to your team or clients. And that's how to analyze GA4 traffic in Looker Studio in 2026. Simple, clear, and actionable. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more step-by-step analytics tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.